Imagine standing at the edge of a vast landscape where traditional finance fades into the background, making way for a vibrant world brimming with possibilities. Here, lines morph into upward trending graphs, symbolizing the ascent toward financial freedom, while locks click open, spilling forth radiant light and untold potential. This is the realm you enter with Unlock Your Financial Future with Crypto Trading Master Guide, a beacon for those eager to seize the opportunities of cryptocurrency trading. The cover of the ebook boldly proclaims its promise: Unlock your financial future with crypto trading, your guide to navigating the crypto market. Within its pages, a treasure trove of knowledge awaits, poised to transform your understanding of finance. Begin your journey by demystifying blockchain, where interconnected nodes pulse like stars in a digital cosmos, illuminating the revolutionary technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. As you set up for trading, a straightforward guide leads you through establishing crypto exchanges and wallets, akin to constructing bridges to new financial realms. Choosing the right exchanges and wallet types becomes a crucial decision, depicted through stylized symbols that echo the importance of security and accessibility. Funding your account transforms into a seamless experience as currency morphs into vibrant crypto symbols, effortlessly flowing into your newly established wallets. Proven trading strategies are presented as abstract representations of upward trends, guiding you toward profitable decisions. Dynamic visualizations of market patterns dance across the page, inviting you to analyze trends and seize opportunities. As you learn to read candlestick charts, you unlock the ability to interpret the market's heartbeat, while understanding market psychology reveals the emotional currents that influence trading decisions. Risk management techniques become your armor, safeguarding your growing portfolio from unforeseen pitfalls, symbolized by metaphors that depict resilience and adaptability. Finally, envision the gradual growth of your investments as a winding roadmap leading to financial success. With each step, you inch closer to achieving financial independence, empowered to take control of your future. Embrace this journey and unlock your financial future today. Get your Crypto Master Guide now at grantglobalcorp.com. Like and share this to help others discover the excitement of cryptocurrency trading.